the first thing which we do is to rush to the ground and play with our friends, right? There are many games we play together, such as Lagori, Hide and Seek, Coco, and Kabaddi, football, and many other games we play. So today, let us know about the game called Kabaddi, where this Kabaddi is a team game where 2 teams with 7 players will be there. So each occupy opposite halves of the field, where the first team sends a member known as a rider. So the match starts now. See, the first team will send the member who is known as rider to the other half of the field to attack, where this person has to keep saying Kabaddi, 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 and all the time holding the breath and try to win the points for his team by touching or pulling the member of the opposite team and getting them out. The team on the other side, they form the chain like this and they catch the rider to get the point for the team. So they try to stop the rider from going back to the home side before taking a breath. And then this is very exciting game, right? Yes, this is how they play this Kabaddi, where this Kabaddi is derived from in Hindi and Punjabi word meaning holding the breath. In Western, the game is known as Ututu. In Western India, the game is known as Ututu, and in the Eastern India, it is also known as Adodo. And the game is played for 40 minutes with a 5 minutes half-time break, and both men and women play this game. See, not only Kabaddi, there's something called cricket. So it is one of the famous games all over the world. Whenever there is a World Cup, where all Indians join together unitedly and we cheer up for our team, right? Yeah. And in this game cricket, we see many awesome players like Kapil Dev, ANIL Kumble, Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, Dhoni, Kohli, and many others, right? Then let us know about one of the Indian cricket player in our next class.